Is it time to buy or sell Nvidia stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Nvidia. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 25th of September, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 24th of September, 2024, our system has identified Nvidia as a buy candidate, awarding it a score of 1.84. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a gain of 2.18%. This results in an average return of 1.09% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock currently rests at the upper part of a very wide and declining trend in the short term. This position often signals a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction towards the lower part of the trend can be anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $126.18 would initially suggest a slower rate of decline, potentially marking the first indication of a trend reversal. The present 3-month trend indicates a projected decrease of approximately 6.84% over the coming 3 months, with possible returns ranging from negative 29.17% to negative 4.83%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it forecasts a change of 153.13% over the next year, with potential returns between 121.16% and 232.34%. This implies a price range of $273.16 to $410.47 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Nvidia includes the headline, Green Day on Wednesday for Nvidia. The Nvidia stock price increased by 2.18% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 25th of September, 2024. It rose from $120.87 to $123.51. This marks the third consecutive day of gains. It will be interesting to see whether this upward trend continues or if it takes a slight pause in the coming days. During the last trading session, the stock fluctuated by 2.73%, with a day low of $121.62 and a day high of $124.93. Over the past 2 weeks, the stock has experienced a total gain of 5.65%. On the last day, trading volume decreased by 63 million shares, with a total of 277 million shares changing hands, amounting to approximately $34.27 billion. It is important to note that declining volume alongside rising prices may indicate divergence and could serve as an early warning for potential changes in the following days. Over the past 52 weeks, the stock's highest price reached $140.76, while the lowest price fell to $39.23. Currently, the price stands 12.25%, or $17.25, below the 52-week high of $140.76, which also represents the all-time high for this stock. Today, Nvidia is making headlines with several developments poised to impact its stock price both in the short and long term. The company is currently part of a select group of S&P 500 stocks, demonstrating significant earnings growth, reinforcing its strong position in the market. As the demand for artificial intelligence technology continues to surge, Nvidia's strategic focus on energy efficiency with its new Blackwell chip is also noteworthy. This could address one of the critical concerns surrounding artificial intelligence deployment: escalating energy costs. In a notable market shift, Nvidia shares jumped after Chief Executive Officer Jensen Huang unexpectedly completed a stock sale, which often signals confidence in the company's future. On the bullish side, a recent report projected substantial growth in the artificial intelligence market, contributing to a positive outlook and potentially easing investor fears regarding the pace of artificial intelligence spending into the coming years. However, Nvidia faces increasing competition, particularly from the rising utility stock Vistra, which recently overtook Nvidia as the top performer in the S&P 500 for the year. This emerging competition may pressure Nvidia's stock performance if growth projections for competitors remain strong. Furthermore, Microsoft's ambitions to build large data centers highlight the increasing role of Nvidia's technology in powering artificial intelligence infrastructure. Such developments could mean sustained demand for Nvidia's products, bolstering its profitability outlook. Overall, while short-term momentum appears favorable, broader competitive challenges may influence Nvidia's trajectory in the longer term. Analyst ratings. On Monday, September 23, 2024, it was reported that Bernstein assigned NVDA an outperform grade along with a hold action. On Thursday, September 19, 2024, Oppenheimer also rated NVDA as outperform with a hold action. On the same day, Morgan Stanley assigned NVDA an underweight grade and issued a downgrade action. On Wednesday, September 18, 2024, William Blair rated NVDA as outperform with an initialize action. Finally, on Wednesday, September 11, 2024, Goldman Sachs gave NVDA a conviction buy grade while maintaining a hold action. Analysts have assigned Nvidia stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell, and the price-to-book ratio is also rated as strong sell. However, for return on investment, analysts have given the stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Nvidia. The chart today reveals mostly positive signals. Nvidia stock is showing buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, which suggests a favorable outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these two averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In the event of a downward correction, support can be found at the levels of $117.64 and $116.85. A drop below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Monday, August 19, 2024, and since then, the stock has declined by approximately 5%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is identified. Moreover, a buy signal has been indicated from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. It is noteworthy that volume decreased during the last trading day, even as prices increased. This discrepancy between volume and price may serve as an early warning sign. Therefore, it is advisable to monitor the stock closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal received 27 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal issued 42 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal recorded 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal observed 7 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal noted 7 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal detected 6 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal identified 7 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal recognized 215 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's discuss the support, risk, and stop loss for Nvidia. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $109.21 and $107.27. There is an inherent risk when a stock is testing a support level. If this support is breached, the stock may decline to the next support level. In this instance, Nvidia has support just below today's level at $109.21. Should this level be broken, the subsequent support from accumulated volume will be at $107.27 and $100.45. This stock typically experiences average movements throughout the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is deemed to be medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $3.32 between its high and low, representing a 2.73% change. Furthermore, in the last week, the stock has exhibited an average daily volatility of 3%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for Nvidia, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A high PE ratio could indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors anticipate significant growth rates in the future. In other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2025 is expected on the 19th of November, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 74 cents. It is important to keep an eye on these figures as they can substantially influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Nvidia. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Nvidia is at $123.54. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could serve as a consideration point for swing trading. On the downside, Nvidia faces its first support level at $109.21. If this support level remains intact, it may present a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for Nvidia from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 20th of September, 2024, Huangzhen Shun conducted an insider sale of 1,568,000 shares of common stock. On the 19th of September, 2024, Cox Tench conducted an insider sale of 1 million shares of common stock. On the 20th of September, 2024, Cox Tench conducted another insider sale of 202,978 shares of common stock. On the same day, Cox Tench also conducted an insider sale of 797,022 shares of common stock. On the 18th of September, 2024, Puri EJK conducted an insider sale of 61,705 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated that insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 97.639. Overall, insiders purchased 48,359 shares and sold 5,453,470 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $118.94, which reflects a decline of 3.7%. This stock experiences medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. A buy signal has emerged from a pivot bottom identified 34 days ago. Is Nvidia stock a good buy? Several short-term signals are looking positive. Even though the stock is currently in a downward trend, we believe this may present a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for it to perform well in the near future. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price appears to be overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 26th of September, we anticipate Nvidia will open lower, declining by approximately 15 cents, and start trading at $123.35. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.